head prefect.
And I'm Bianca, the vice head prefect.
During our election, we promised the school to give a hot chocolate sale or hot drink sale.
And now finally today's the day. It's an Ovaltine sale.
All of these packets that are Ovaltine are kindly sponsored by the company, Telfer International.
Even the machine is sponsored by Telfer International.
All of the money raised by the children during this sale is going to very good deeds. It's going to be donated to a charity called Chicken Soup Foundation.
We are very happy that this project is going to be in the SG60.
This SG60 project is a project our school does that helps the community and also to celebrate Singapore's 60th anniversary.
We hope you enjoy!